Welcome sa sit9.com. This video tutuloy natin yung ating series about rational expressions. No? Kung sinusundan niyo itong series na to, katapos lang natin nung multiplication of rational expressions. So dito magsisimula tayo ng ating discussion on division of rational expressions. No? But before that, ay unahin muna natin yung division of rational numbers. No? In this case, yung represented by fractions. No? So, sabi dito, if b is not equal to 0, c is not equal to 0, and d is not equal to 0, then a over b divided by c over d equals a over b times d over c. So, bakit hindi pwedeng 0 yung b, yung c, tsaka yung d, no? Because b, c, and d, no, are denominators of these fractions, no? So, sabi natin, pag meron tayong fraction, hindi tayo pwede magkaroon ng denominator na 0. That's the only reason why b, c, and d are not equal to 0. No? Secondly, makikita natin that if we divide a over b by c over d, ang ginagawa lang natin is we get the reciprocal, no, of the divisor and then change the operation from division to multiplication. No? So, kinukuha lang natin ng reciprocal. Okay, so with those rules, no, I know you're already familiar with this because you've already learned how to divide fractions. No? So, I think this is a bit of a review bago tayo pumunta sa expressions na mayroong mga variables. No? So, let's try 6 divided by 1/2. So, sabi natin pag meron tayong whole number, no? Dapat lagyan natin ng over 1 para madaling mag-multiply. No? And then, we change this to multiplication, tulad dito. And then, we get the reciprocal of 1/2. No? So, binabaliktad lang naman natin, magiging 2 over 1. So, this becomes 6 times 2 is 12, and 1 times 1 is 1, which is equal to 12. No? So, recall that if we multiply fractions, no, we multiply the numerator, no? So 6 times 2, and then we multiply also the denominator. So, yung product ng mga yun yung magiging numerator and denominator ng ating sagot. No? Next, we have 5/8 divided by 15 over 16, magiging 5/8 times the reciprocal, no, of 15 over 16. This becomes 16 over 15. And pwede tayong gumamit ng cancellation, no, gaya ng na-discuss natin sa previous videos. No? So, anong pwede natin cancel? 16 and 8. Ano ang pwede natin i-divide sa dalawang numbers na yan? Pinakamalaking number na pwede natin i-divide. That's 8, di ba? So, 8 divided by 8 is 1. 16 divided by 8 is 2. Itong dalawa naman, anong pwede natin i-divide? That's 5, no? 5 divided by 5 is 1. And then 15 divided by 5 is 3. Okay, so pag nakapag-cancel na tayo at wala na tayong pwede i-cancel, we multiply the numerator. We have 1 times 2, no? Yung natira, 1 times 2. That's 2. And yung sa baba natin, o yung denominator natin, ay 1 times 3, which is equal to 3. So, 2/3 is the correct answer. Number 3, 4/5 divided by 6. So, this is equal to 4/5 times, ano yung reciprocal ng 6? Remember, ang 6 natin ay 6 over 1, di ba? So, ang reciprocal niya ay 1, 6. No? So, lahat ng whole numbers, para mas madali matandaan is lagyan natin ng over 1 pag namumultiply tayo or nag-divide tayo ng fractions. No? So, magiging 4/5 times 1/6. This is, pwede ba tayong cancel? Yung 4 at saka 6, no? And pwede na natin i-diretso na 4, magiging 4 over 30 or by reducing to lowest terms, magiging 2 over 15. No? Pag nag-cancel tayo, magiging 2 ito, magiging 3 ito, kaya magiging 2 over 15. So, ang cancellation, pwede natin siyang gamitin sa malalaking numbers, pero kung mabilis lang naman natin mamultiply, pwede naman tayong hindi mag-cancel. Okay, last number, we have 3 and 1/4 divided by 26 over 5. No? So dito, pag meron tayong mixed numbers, no, ang gagawin natin ay we convert first to improper fraction. No? So 3 and 1/4 magiging 4 times 3 is 12, 13 over 4, di ba? So magiging equal to 13 over 4 divided by 26 over 5, which is equal to 13 over 4 times, no? What is the reciprocal of this? 5 over 26, no? So may pwede ba tayong cancel? Pwede tayong mag-cancel dito. We have, ano pwede natin i-divide? Doon sa dalawang numbers. By 13, no? This is 1. 13 divided by 13 is 1. And then 26 divided by 13 is 2. So magiging 5 eighths, no? So, okay. So, yan na yung ating pinakasagot. Wala na tayong pwedeng lowest terms, no? Okay, so I think that's it. Yan yung ating mga examples on dividing rational numbers which are represented by fractions. No? Sinasabi ko represented by fractions kasi may yung rational numbers pwede rin natin siya i-represent ng decimals, di ba? So dito ang pinag-aralan natin is how to divide rational numbers represented by fractions, no? Or simply how to divide fractions. Now, sa susunod na video, ang gagawin natin is paano naman tayo mag-divide kung merong mga variables na. So, yan yung ating susunod na video. Maraming salamat. Gusto ko i-invite sa ating website sa sipnayan.com, no? At ating YouTube channel, youtube.com/user/sipnayanph. And of course, our Facebook page, facebook.com/sipnayanph. Maraming salamat. See you in the next tutorial.